guys, welcome back to the Fast Files. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different. We're not actually working on the GT4 today. We're going to be working on this. It's my brother's Lancer Ralliart. We are changing all the interior around because we've got the upgraded heated leather seats to go in. We're going to hopefully, if we've got enough time, do the door cards as well. So let's come along and let's go and work on my brother's car. So apparently my brother was going through the forums and trying to find out how to take these out, and all he could find was from the saloon versions, and apparently going through it, he was saying that it's really difficult to actually take these back seats out, and it really isn't. I mean, we've just done it now, so as you can see, taking a few, I think there's 1, 2, 3 initial nuts that hold them in, 3 initial screws that hold them in. There was 2 extra nuts for the partition between the 60/40 rear folding, and then we've had to undo the seat belt mounting there, which is for the middle seat, and then the seat belt comes out with it, and honestly that's it. It's been really easy. Another thing my brother was told was to get these seats out and to unclip the cables, you need to start taking all this plastic trim out, because the handles for the seats in the boot are at the back here, and we've noticed that you don't. You can just unclip this at the back and you can take the cable out. So this side is connected to the latch in the boot, and then the left side was connected to the cable that way into the seat. So we finally just need to unclip that, open up this piece of plastic, and in there you can take the cables out. Okay, so next step is, because the seats in these cars have airbags in them, we've got to disconnect the battery and let all the charge run out. So we'll leave it for 5 minutes or so, and then we can start taking the front seats out. Right, Sam, what's the next step now? We've took the front seats out.
Cool, so I think we'll unclip the button blank for the heated seats. That just pops out. And then we don't actually need to remove the whole plastic bit. It's just, this needs to unscrew, just a couple of screws. And then we need to pop this out, and possibly the cup holder. And then we can get to the wires underneath for the heated seats at the front, which could be a bit of a pain, but I've done it once before, so remember how to do it again.
Yeah, we'll be right. Just cleaning the seats up because they've been in the loft for a good few months, so they're quite mouldy, so clean them up before we put them in. well, that went on a bit longer than we thought, didn't it? But full interior is done now, so are you happy?
Very happy. Seats, door cards, well, nice.
See all in there. Nice Ralliart emboss on the back of the seats.
Yeah, nice half leather, half suede. Like it. Looks a lot better.
Yeah, the seats are a lot comfier as well. So
yeah, feel a bit more bolsters as well on the sides.
Yeah,
still a bit wide, but they still feel better.
Good.
Right, everything works. Windows work, mirrors work.
All the electrics work now.
Yep.
I think the only thing that's left to do is
a fuse for the heated seats.
Yeah, we've not got one of those yet. We need to figure out which one we need, but it's the summertime now, so you're not exactly going to need heated seats for the time being, eh?
Oh, it's a 2-minute job as well. It's going to be fine. Yeah. I'm not worried about that.
Good, right. Well, nice few hours. Job done.
Yeah, we're happy.
Right, like, comment, subscribe, all that lot. Let me know if you want to see more videos with the Ralliart in as well, and we'll get some more done. Right, see you later.
Bye.